In this lesson, we're going to start working with the shopping cart endpoint. So let's open this add items in cart endpoint. And there you can see that this is basically a post request. And this request will take the following data in JSON format. So what I'm going to do is, I'll simply switch to the Wheel Studio. There, let's go to this register method. Then we're going to copy this method and paste it here. Now first of all, let's rename this method to add items in cart. And this method will take add to cart object. Alright, we'll pass the value to this add to cart object somewhere else. And that's why we don't need to instantiate the instance of add to cart class here. Simply remove this code. And then in the serials method, let's pass the add to cart. Alright, now let's copy the URL of this endpoint and paste it here. This endpoint will also take an access token. So we simply copy this line for getting the access token and then paste it here before the post async method. Alright, so far we have created this method. Now I will see you in the next lesson.